In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Copilot with your social media management tools. This integration will transform the way you manage your social media presence, making your workflow more efficient and your content more impactful. To start, you'll need access to Microsoft Copilot and your chosen social media management tool. This process is all about synergy, so making sure both platforms are set up and running smoothly should be our first point of focus. Now let's dive into how you can seamlessly schedule your posts. Begin by providing your content. This could be anything from photos to videos or any link you wish to share. Next, you'll need to determine the timing. Timing is critical because you want your post to reach your audience when they are most active. Having identified the ideal times for your content to go live will really set you up for success and maximize your engagement. Once you've got your content and timing set up, it's time to leverage the power of Microsoft Copilot to create captivating captions and relevant hashtags. Copilot, with its AI capabilities, can assist in generating captions that are not only catchy, but also resonate with your audience. Think about the tone and message that best reflects your brand, then let Copilot help craft a message that aligns perfectly with your objectives. Hashtags play a crucial role in boosting the visibility of your posts, so feel free to use Copilot to assist in generating not only the most popular, but also the most pertinent hashtags for your audience. This way, you can expand your reach beyond your current followers. After your posts are scheduled, captions are polished, and hashtags are optimized, take note of how Microsoft Copilot can assist in monitoring your post performance. This involves keeping an eye on the engagement metrics that are important to you, such as likes, shares, comments, and overall reach. By gaining insights into which posts are performing well and which aren't, you can start to see patterns in what content resonates with your audience. Lastly, don't forget about strategy. Social media is an ever-evolving landscape, and there's always an opportunity to refine your approach. Use the data you've gathered from monitoring to adjust and improve your future strategies. This feedback loop ensures that your content continues to improve, reach more people, and engage them effectively. By integrating Microsoft Copilot with your social media management tools, you can enhance every step of your social media process. Whether it's scheduling posts, crafting engaging messages, or reevaluating your strategies. Thank you for tuning in, and here's to taking your social media management to the next level.